Today in front of me SONY Xperia 5 Mark III, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store, and here in the search bar type the green Apple keyboard. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds. Now just open the app. Here click to enable in settings, and here near this green Apple keyboard tap on the switcher and tap OK, one more time OK, and now go back. Here just click to the switch input methods and switch it from this G bar to the English United States keyboard. And now just go back, and for example we'll start chatting with someone. Okay, and as can you see right now, our keyboard is so close to the iPhone keyboard as all the emojis, as can you see here. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.